First of all, I must thank Member Secretary taking the initiative after I written a letter to him that this road has been known as the killer road. Because on this road, Sultan Mellas and it is a road that has been excellent road. So, no doubt, MLA and the Panchayat has taken initiative and actually widening केलं. After many years, they have done this. But still, last 2 weeks we had another accident because of big trucks coming inside. So crash area high speed आता म्हणून चांगला. Hope they do it fast. But our main thing is that we need to save life. We demand for the department, especially the PWD and the traffic police, and to see that we have better and safe roads.
सगळे आता सगळे पास झाला हायट बॅरिकेड घालपाचे आनी ते इंजिनियराच्या फाटल्यान मातशें बेगीन घालता म्हणून आनी कोण तरी टायमा भितर आनी एक्सिडंट ना जावचें आनी कोणूय वयतात कोणूय एक्सिडंट ब्रेक करून जाता मारी जावन तिगरूच मारतलें सो आयज इन्स्पेक्शन जालां सरान सांगलां तें बरें हांव मागता जाता तितलें बेगीन तें घालचें म्हणून बिफोर मान्सून जाता तितलें आमचे कडेन घालूंक शकता हायट बॅरियर बी घालचें कित्याक तेका फॅब्रिकेशन करून तें हाडून घालपाक जाय आनी सगळ्याक जातलें वील ट्राय आवर बेस्ट